We'll guide you through how to use Gmail offline mode. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Gmail account on your desktop and click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Then, from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings to enter the full settings page. Now, navigate to the Offline tab located at the top of the settings menu. You'll see an option that says Enable Offline Mail. Check this box to activate Gmail offline mode. Once you've done that, you can choose how many days of mail you want to sync with your device, ranging from 7, 30, or 90 days. This will allow you to access these emails even when you're not connected to the internet. Make sure to decide whether you want Gmail to keep or remove offline data from your computer when you sign out, which is an important privacy setting. After setting your preferences, click on Save Changes to apply the offline mode settings. Now, Gmail will start syncing your emails for offline use, and you'll be able to read, respond to, and search your emails without an internet connection. Just remember, to send any emails you've composed offline, you'll need to reconnect to the internet. To access your offline emails, simply go to your Gmail as you normally would, and the emails will be there waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.